go over this multifunctional book stand from the company Viozon Ergonomics. Now, I've had several products from these guys before, and I have been very impressed with the quality and the offerings that they have. Everything I've got from them has been perfect, and I still use it today. So I went ahead and picked up this book stand because it's got a feature on it that my other book stand didn't, and I'll show you that on this. But let's just go over the box. Strong stability, it's metal. Silicone anti-skid on the bottom. It's got compatible with many sizes, easy to read, and multi-angle adjustments. You know what? Enough with the box. It actually came fully assembled. I didn't have to do anything to it. You can see the overall look of the thing right here. Right down here is the page turners, but here's the feature that I wanted the most. Look at this down here, everybody. So they give you this little wrench right here. This wrench is to make some adjustments. If you want to make it a little easier or a little harder to move, you can do it right there, or you could set it in place. So this right here is a little storage pad. So you can put like your reading glasses, your remotes, your ink pens. It fits everything perfect just right there. You can put like a snack or something. Has a little felt bottom on it. You see that? It's got this little felt bottom on it. And on the bottom of this, we'll dump it out here, there's the anti-skid pads, so you're not gonna move it around. And it's got like this Lazy Susan type wheel on it. We're gonna try to use a tablet in it, but first off, let's use a book. Inside of here is a little ball that rotates, and I'll show you why you want that. So you've got, see how it holds it open? I can easily read these books. Like this book's a little worn. Look at that. Or you want to turn a page, just do like that. And you lift that one up and you're good to go. So it works perfect as a book. And then if I want to show it to somebody, I can rotate around. They could read it. I could turn it back this way. And then if I want to put these down, close up my book. Now down in here, they drop into the hideaway right there. Now look, I have a tablet holder. How cool is that? This actually has a tablet holder built into it. You see that? There's a tablet holder, and now it'll hold up to like a 13-inch tablet. I think this is an 11-inch tablet right here, so you can see the size on it. So if I want to like have something playing right there, whether it's a video or reading a book, you could read a book on your tablet, and it'll also, you know, run it long ways and vertical. So it can do a vertical like that, or it can do a horizontal like that. Same deal. I can turn it and show it to somebody. If I need to, I can put a little pen up there. So I've got a stylus or pen, and it fits perfectly right there. You can actually lower it down and it fits in there just like that. So if I want to use it as like a book, if I'm like writing something, I can use it like that, and it holds as a book. And it's got my pen, and then underneath, if I need to get underneath it. Now see, I need to loosen it up because it's really tight right away. Right there would be all of my stuff. This is something I recommend for anyone that's needing a book stand or tablet stand for their everyday kind of items, whether you're in the kitchen cooking and you just want to look at recipes, or you're just like, you know, sitting at your desk and you want to read. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, Viozon multifunctional book stand. See you on the next video.